The fourth canning mistake that can kill you is trying to hurry up the cooling down process. Now, regardless of which type of canner that you use, it takes a while for it to cool down. Now, this is especially true with pressure canning. If you're using the Nesco canner, it says to wait at least an hour before you attempt to open the lid. I find that it often takes 90 minutes. And what you might be tempted to do is to take off the pressure valve, because then steam will come out and it'll cool down faster. But the interesting thing about it is that the times that are given for canning include the time that it takes to heat up and get things to pressure, and then also the time that it takes to cool down. That cooling down time is an important part of the processing time. So you don't want to do anything to hurry it up. And the important thing with this is when you're doing your canning, when you're planning out your canning, you need to look at the amount of processing time, and then I say for the Nesco, I allow 90 minutes of cool down time. So let's say it was a 90-minute, I was cooking a quarts of beans for 90 minutes, and the cool down would be 90 minutes. Right there, that's 180 minutes, 3 hours. That's not counting the time to prepare the beans. That's not counting the time to bring it up to pressure. So I don't want to start that project an hour before I'm going to bed, or 2 hours. Let's say it's 90 minutes and I think, I'll start it 2 hours before bedtime. I probably need to start it at least 4 hours before bedtime so that it finishes before I'm ready to go to bed. Or, of course, if you were going to go to work, or you were, had someplace you wanted to go out and do something, just keep in mind the long amount of time that it takes to actually finish the process from start to finish, so that you're not tempted to hurry it along. Okay, so allowing it to cool down naturally. Don't do anything to hurry it up. If you try to hurry it up, you could make the recipe unsafe, and then it could harm you down the road when you go to open up those cans of beans or whatever it is that you've canned.